the thrilling chase on the streets of Miami-Dade. On September 11, 2024, in Florida, Trooper Lasso Silva, a member of the Florida Highway Patrol's FHP Criminal Interdiction Unit CIU, along with his partner, Trooper Pineda and K9 Axel, was assigned to patrol the Miami-Dade and Broward areas. Their primary mission was to intercept criminal activities. Later that evening, while traveling on Okeechobee Road near the intersection with State Road 826, Trooper Silva received a notification from the Miami Regional Communications Center that the Hialeah Police Department was pursuing a stolen white van in the area of Okeechobee and South River Drive. The white van, spotted by Trooper Cantelar heading east on NW 74th Street, immediately fled when pursued. The vehicle continued to evade capture in a dangerous manner, showing complete disregard for the safety of the public and public property. Trooper Silva decided to take the lead position in the pursuit and attempted a Precision Immobilization Technique, IT. However, the first attempt was unsuccessful, and the van continued to flee at high speed with blatant disregard for the law.
Southbound on 72nd, speeds still are going to be 23 Lasso. 23, that's oncoming.
The situation grew more tense when the van collided with another vehicle in the area of NW 74th Street and NW 73rd Court. However, the van continued to flee, disregarding the danger posed to those around it. Determined, Trooper Silva attempted a second PIT at the area of NW 74th Street and NW 72nd Avenue. This time, the tactic was successful. The vehicle lost control and came to a stop in the center median.
The vehicle's continuing. The vehicle's continuing.
The pursuit ended successfully, thanks to the effective coordination between the police units and the bravery of Trooper Silva and his team.
Miami 1155, 1020. Any units 1012 and 72nd Avenue.
After being apprehended, the suspects were taken to the hospital for a health check. After being cleared by a doctor with no serious injuries, they were transferred to the TGK jail and handed over to the Miami-Dade correctional officers without any further incidents.
¿Tiene algún herida?
Sí,
¿Qué?
la boca.
¿Qué te pasó en la boca? ¿Te caíste?
Hasta que me golpeé ahí.
Ah, te caíste. Vamos a ver. ¿Te caíste o te dieron? ¿O qué pasó?
Ahí cuando me caí, cuando me agarraron los oficiales ahí.
Ok, mírame. Ok. Ahora enséñame el labio. Ya. ¿Algún otro lugar? ¿Cómo?
Aquí en la cara, cachete, que se
Oh, ya, sí, pero eso ya lo apretaré. ¿Alguna otra cosa? ¿No? ¿Se queja de otra cosa? Ok, vienen los bomberos a chequearlo.
On October 24, 2024 in Arkansas, a dramatic high-speed chase unfolded as a Ford F-150, swerving into oncoming lanes, attempted to flee from the police. The chase began on a rural highway where the truck driver, determined to flee, ignored the flashing lights of law enforcement. The police quickly initiated the pursuit. Finally, after executing the Precision Immobilization Technique to stop the vehicle, the Ford F-150 rolled over and came to a stop.
Show me your hands! Hands! Show me your fucking hands! Now! On the ground! On it! On it! Get out! On the ground! Get the fuck out of the window!
What is what we said? I didn't want you to do that.
Get off! Get off!
I can't.
Get off!
I'm trying, sir.
Now get out! On it!
You move and I'm gonna pull your fucking head off.
Yes, sir. I didn't do that.
Put your hands behind your back, right fucking
Sir, I didn't do that, though.
You just keep your fucking hands right
Put
there.
that seat up.
Yes, sir, I will.
Put that seat up.
Is everybody in there?
Yeah, girl.
Oh, God, sir, I'm hurting. Help me. Please, sir, take me.
We got an ambulance around. You're fine.
I thought I heard him saying they're going south.
Oh, y'all messed that up? Oh, my word.
Yep.
Okay. All right. I'll forgive you.
All right. We'll be there in a jiffy.
All right, bye.
Bye.